Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you are healthy and safe at home. Are you all enjoying our online learning sessions? Yes, we are trying our best to make you learn with some fun and activities that you can also do at home with your parents. Now, in our last session, we learned about different shapes. So, can you tell me which are those shapes? Let's remember and do a quick recap of those shapes. I have some objects from which you can tell me which shape it is. Which shape is this? Yes, it is a square box. This one, it is a rectangle. It is a circle. Now, what shape is this? Yes, it is a triangle. It is a semicircle or a half circle. What shape is this? Yes, it is an oval potato. Now, I have also given you some simple worksheets to do. Have you done? So let's go through the solution of that worksheet and check what you have done by your own. So kids, here is the worksheet that I have given you in the last session, in which you have to match the shapes that are same. You have to match a rectangle to rectangle, square to square, circle to circle, oval to oval, and triangle to triangle. So just check whether you have done the same or not. Now, in our next worksheet, you have to color the shapes and count them and write in the space given below. See, I have done orange in all circles. So 3 circles are there, 3 triangle, 3 square, 3 rectangle, 3 oval, and 3 diamond shape. You can do any color of your choice. Okay children, so see you again with some new concepts and new learnings with some fun activities. Keep learning, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye. Thank you.